president. All hail the president. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, teachers and students, I proudly announce to you the newest student president of Great College, one and only Miss Sophie.
Yes, give me that respect.
Oh my God. Yeah, like my girl did it. I'm so proud of you. Like, you deserve it. Like, you study harder than everyone. You help students with their assignment and even help some of those teachers to prepare their debate. What else?
When they called out my name, my heart literally almost came out of my chest.
Oh my God, are you kidding me? And the best part is you defeated him.
Yes, please don't even remind me. I'm sure his ego must be bruised right now.
One and only Miss Sophia, the newest student president of Great College. I'm so proud of you, girl.
Oh my God. So the student president is trekking like a village champion. Oh, okay. So the position did not come with a car. What a shame.
Daniel, honestly, what exactly is your problem? Can't you just leave Sophie alone for once? Must you always come on here as well and mood? Like, can't you just... Hello, I'm talking to you.
No, he can't. And do you know why? Because I represent everything that he wishes he could be. I'm smart, I'm disciplined, I'm intelligent, and I won the student president election. The whole school voted for me to lead them, not you. And honestly, Daniel, I understand how you must feel. It hurts to lose, especially for somebody who buys everything with his daddy's money. But I have the perfect solution. Enter that beautiful car of yours. Tell your driver to drive you to the nearest transformer and give it a big hug for me. I'm sure that electric shock will reset your brain.
How dare you, Sophie? You see this thing you just said? Hey, I will deal with you. You will regret it.
Take your useless self out of this place. Just go, just get out of here. What is this? Get your useless self out of here. Hell, the president. I'm so proud of you. Like, you know his problem. You defeated him. You do better than him.
Yeah, I'm sure his ego must be bruised right
Exactly.
now. I can't wait to tell my mom.
I'm so proud of you, girl. I'm so proud of you.
Oga landlord, please. No, you cannot throw us out. Where do we go to? Please, I'm begging you, sir. Just a little more time, just a little more time. Yes, sir. Sir, please. Please, sir, please. Sir. Hello, sir.
Hey, Mom, you don't believe what happened in school today.
Hello, darling. What happened?
Mommy, what's wrong?
It's nothing.
No, Mommy. Something happened. Tell me, what is it?
The landlord called again.
Again?
Again. And this time, he is threatening that he will throw us out of this house. Where are we going to go?
What's all this now? Can't he see the situation that we're in? The least he could do is give us some time.
My daughter, people don't care about other people's situation. They are not bothered. All they care about is themselves and their money. Their money, their money, their money. That's what they care about. It's okay. I'll work for the money. I will look for the money. I will definitely get the money and make this payment. I will pay for the house, and that man he will keep his mouth shut very soon. Very soon I will raise the money. It's no problem. I will pay it.
Mommy, the maid job you were going for, were you able to get it?
the main job. I got the job.
You did?
In fact, I was just about going for the job before the landlord called while I was waiting for you to come home first. Then I'll start going for the work.
And then should I go with you? I mean, I could help. And 2 people will make the work easier.
No. Don't even go there. You can't go with me to work. How? Don't bother. Just concentrate on your books. Make sure that you concentrate and focus on your education. Your education is too important because you see this situation we find ourselves in. It is only you that can remove us from this situation. Focus on your school. I will do the work, don't worry.
But Mommy, I feel bad. They're working very hard and all I do is go to school.
I know. You will feel bad, but it's okay. Don't feel bad. Just try and make sure you concentrate on that school. The only thing that will remove us from poverty is that your school. Pay attention to the school. Are you hearing me? Don't worry, I might. I will go to work. I will sort it out. You came in excited, like you were going to tell me something.
Oh yes, I almost forgot.
What is it?
I won the student president election.
You won?
Yes, the school voted and everybody picked me.
Look at my baby. Just look at my baby. Look at my baby. Look at my... Oh, congratulations, darling.
Thank you.
Oh, wow. So they all voted for you.
They all did. Everybody voted.
Thank you, Madam President.
Yes, ma'am.
That is so sweet.
Congratulations. Let's go inside, my dear. It is well. It is well.
Madam President. Yes, that is my president.
Ella, when are you and Ethan finally going to get married? Huh? This engagement has been going on long enough. I can't wait to call you my daughter-in-law.
Mom, I think the question should be directed to Ethan. Because I don't know what he's waiting for. Anytime I bring up the topic, you just find a way to avoid it. He said something about making perfect arrangements, and I don't know. Let for me would have been married long time ago.
Perfect. My dear, you know that this family has more than enough to organize a big wedding. So that's not an issue. But I want grandchildren. And I want beautiful ones. And I want them very soon.
Don't worry, you will get them very soon and you will get beautiful ones.
Okay.
Just talk to Ethan, okay? So hurry up.
Okay. Daniel, what's up?
Nothing.
Why are you looking like something happened?
It's nothing, Mom.
What do you mean nothing? You come in here like a hurricane and you're telling me it's nothing.
I said it's nothing, Mom. I just want to be left alone.
Don't talk to me like that. What happened in school?
It's nothing.
Don't talk to me like that. Come back here. Daniel!
Daniel!
What got into him?
I don't know. I've not seen him like that.
Something must have happened in his school for him to behave this way.
And you need to find out.
I will definitely find out.
And then mommy talk to Ethan, okay? So we'll get married soon.
That's not a problem. I want my grandkids.
Yes, me too.
Oh, God.
What is it?
I don't want to talk. What are you doing here?
Whatever it is, let's talk about it. I'll sort it.
They give the presidential election to someone else.
Wait, you mean after your brother and I spent so much money in sponsoring that school, they gave the position to someone else?
Yes.
The position that you are interested in?
Yes, and it's even to one rude girl like that.
Don't worry. Don't bother yourself about that. I will have a word with the principal tomorrow. Okay? Don't worry. You don't trust me again. Hmm? I will handle it. All right. Freshen up. Come downstairs, okay? Come and eat. Cheer up!
Your boss keeping that food, eh? Friends at work and she's trying to get on my nerves. Can you be fast? Oh.
What took you so long?
Ma, when I came, the kitchen was very dirty, so I had to spend time to clean everywhere first.
Kitchen was dirty. What's that supposed to mean? Are you calling us dirty?
No, I'm not calling any name. I'm just trying to explain.
My friend, shut up! You're frozen and you're already giving excuses.
You better not try this rubbish again.
Yes.
If not, oh,
Let me say.
you will regret it for the rest of your life.
I'm sorry. Let me drink.
No, come back here. This is my son, Daniel. You will have to come here very early every morning to prepare breakfast for him before he goes to school. Do you understand?
Yes.
I don't like sugar in my coffee. Get that. I don't want to be the reason you're fired.
Okay, sir. Ma, I'll bring your food now.
All right. Oh, welcome, dear.
You sounded with urgency over the phone.
Yes, I wanted to see you. Something very important came up.
Is everything okay?
Everything is not okay.
What happened?
Can you imagine? In Daniel's school, the position that he was interested in, they gave it to some random girl. So tomorrow morning, we're going to go and see the principal.
Mom, you picked up your phone and called me because of this.
Yes, it's important to your brother.
Mom, we're going to go to Daniel's school, some secondary school, tomorrow morning to do some high school politics. Is that it?
We need to remind that school that we are their biggest sponsors. It seems they've forgotten.
Mom, we are their biggest sponsors, has nothing to do with Daniel becoming the president. We donate to that school because they need it. They need the money. We donate because it's good for humanity. We donate because Dad did that when he was alive. Not for Daniel to become the president of the school.
Maybe the girl too. Maybe her family paid for her to get that position.
So be it. If the family thinks that was best for them to pay for their daughter to be the president of a secondary school, then that's fine. Are you going to pay your... Mom, please, don't tell me you're saying this.
Yes, and that's what I want.
Like tomorrow morning, you will dress up, I'll dress up, we'll get into the car, drive down to the school to tell them that we came to reclaim a position for Daniel?
Yes, that's what I want.
Have you thought about if Daniel was beaten by that girl?
Beaten by that girl. Listen to yourself. Beaten by that girl. Look, end of discussion. We're going there tomorrow morning, having a word with the principal.
Mom, I'm not doing that.
You are doing it.
Mom, I can't go.
End of discussion. This is what I want. It's important for your brother.
Mom, I'm tired. And I'm really exhausted. I'm tired. I can't have this communication anymore. This conversation is over. Let me go freshen up.
Tomorrow morning, don't forget. Nonsense. Position that was supposed to be for my son, they gave it to some random girl. What nonsense. Not having it.
Sweetheart.
Mommy, good morning.
Morning, my love.
Why are you up so early?
Because I have to go to work and I have to go early so that I will make food for my boss's son before he goes to school. And you, make sure you don't oversleep. And make sure your uniform is neat, your hair is neat. You know you are now Madam President. And Madam Presidents should live by example. Yes. And make sure you are polite, smile, and nice to other students. Okay?
Yes, Mommy. I mean, you know me now, I'm never late. And I always dress neatly.
Okay, Mama. See you later. Have a nice day.
Okay, Mommy, love you.
Mwah, love you too. Bye. Yeah.
So, Mommy, how did it go? Just me.
Ella, you don't trust me again.
I trust you. I trust you, Mama.
The minute the principal saw me stepping into his office, he knew better than to get into my bad book.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
That's it. What did he say? What did he say?
He was giving me one explanation about voting procedures and all sorts of different stories. I made him know that this family has been supporting that school for years.
As it should be.
Yes.
That's it.
The next thing he did, he quietly disqualified that girl.
Mama, the mama! Mama, the mama! Clock it. Yes, sir. Really?
And do you know the funniest part? That girl, she's not even an elite student.
Huh? Wait.
Yes.
What is she?
She's a daughter of a nobody.
Wait.
A sponsored student.
A daughter of a nobody. Competing with our own Daniel.
Yes, sir.
It's like they don't know their place.
They don't know.
They
don't know. I put her in a position.
Straight up.
Straight up.
I'm so happy. Anybody that crosses our path to crush them. Chess. People that don't have money should go and hang themselves.
That's their own business.
Yes.
Who said they should not have money? Huh?
They are not hardworking. They are lazy. Very lazy people.
Yes, sir.
Mama, you did it.
Yes, sir.
I'm so happy.
That's it, sir.
Yes.
Who doesn't have money? Let them go and jump into the river.
Straight up.
Sophia, let's just go. Let's forget about the whole thing.
No, I will stay here. Just because they have power, they think they can intimidate me.
But they have money.
I'm not going
You
anywhere.
need to go, please.
Look,
Have you lost your mind? Let's just go.
leave me alone.
You know they have money and we don't. Let's go now. What is wrong with you? Do you want to die because of that useless boy? Sophia!
I said leave me. Leave me alone.
Have you lost your mind, Sophia? Sophia, come. What is wrong with me? Sophia! Leave me alone.
Oh, are you mad?
Sophia!
Leave me.
You want to get your miserable self killed in front of my car?
You coward. Bully. Just because your mom has power does not mean you can take away my position.
That shows that we are not in the same class now. You're not in my level, girl. What's your problem?
I earned that position.
And it was taken away from you. Live with it, okay? You better try to make money for yourself and stop all this rubbish you're doing.
You're a coward.
I'm a coward. I'm going to enter inside my car right now.
Oh.
And see, if you are still standing there, you see these legs of yours? I'm not sure it will be there. Trust me. Try me. Stay there.
What is wrong with you? Have you lost your mind? What is wrong with you, Sophia? Come on. This is not over.
You could have stayed now.
I'm not coming. Don't you are saying to stay out here. Come on, get out. Leave me alone. Do you want to kill yourself for this useless boy? What is wrong with you?
Agwarovai, tete samo. Agwarovai, tete samo.
My baby, what is happening?
happening? What's wrong? Why are you crying?
Mommy, they took it.
They took what?
The student president position.
What? I thought you said you won the elections yesterday.
I did. Everybody voted for me. But that spoiled brat, Daniel, brought his mom to the school. They went to the principal's office and then suddenly I was disqualified.
Disqualified? For what reason?
Exactly, no reason. Just because they have money and power, they feel like they can do what they want. And that spoiled brat that doesn't even need this position, he doesn't even care about it. They gave it to him.
It's okay. Calm down, my love.
No, Mommy, you don't understand. I worked so hard for that position. I wanted to win it because the student president doesn't have to pay for books or handouts for a whole year. I didn't want you to pay for anything. Everything I do so that it's easier for you, but that spoiled brat, he took it from me.
It's okay. It's okay, sweetheart. Don't cry. God in heaven is seeing everything. And I can promise you that the Father in heaven that is seeing everything will make it possible that those people that are oppressing you, it is in their presence like this, they will see you when you are growing higher and higher and higher. Okay? Don't cry. You know what? You know what? Come and go to work with me today, okay? Come, go to work with me. Let me not leave you here sitting around. Maybe you'll be thinking too much and cry your eyes out all day. It may relieve you a bit when you are with me at work, okay? So,
okay, Mommy.
Would you come to work with me? Would you like to come? It's okay, alright? It's alright. Go and wash up, change your dress, and come, let us go, okay?
Yes.
You follow me today, don't worry. What is this? What is this? What kind of thing is this? Children cannot be given positions by merit anymore. It has to be money now. Money now is now buying even positions in school for children. Hi. Where exactly is this whole world heading to? Where? A parent will enter school now and buy a credit that another child got and buy it for their own child? Just this is the height of, what am I going to call this? Hey, I'm insecure.
Oh, this place is fine. Wow, Mommy, this house is big.
Yes, it is. Very big.
Some people are really living nicely.
Some people are actually living in heaven on earth. Don't worry, it will be our turn one day. Yes, I believe.
So, Mommy, what am I doing now that I'm here?
I don't want you to do anything. Just go and look for one spot. And sit down there quietly. Read your book until I'm done. You will go.
But Mommy, now that I can't come all the way here and just sit down somewhere and be useless. Let me do something.
Okay, you know what? You will help me clean the small Oga's room upstairs. I will direct you there. You just carry broom, packer and duster. You sweep everywhere, clean everywhere, dust everywhere, arrange the bed, arrange everywhere. But do not spoil anything.
I won't.
Do not spoil anything.
Mommy, I won't. My job here is to make things easier.
Okay. Yeah.
But then what do I do after?
After, then I'll tell you the next one.
Okay. Oh, they even have electric, Kimmy.
Come inside.
Okay, sorry. sort of madness is this? Did the owner of this room just run mad and then leave? This place. Dirty wrappers. This is a dumping ground. At this point, it's not a room.
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
I should be asking you. This is my room. What are you doing here?
Your room.
Yes.
You're a pathetic liar. Look, just get out before somebody sees you.
I am serious. What are you doing here?
Wait. You're the small organ my mom was talking about.
And you are the maid's daughter. Wait. I can't believe they gave the student president to a maid's daughter. I can't wait for the school to hear this.
Will you just stop all this nonsense?
What should be the best headline tomorrow? Let's say, our brilliant Sophie, a maid's daughter.
Do that and I'll tell the whole school how untidy you are. I'll take a picture of your room. You see how it is? I'll take a picture, post on the school group chat so they can see how untidy and dirty their school president really is.
You wouldn't dare.
Yes, I would. If you told anybody about my mom. I'm not ashamed of her or anything. I'm proud of her actually. But it's nobody's business what she does to feed me. And I'm not going to let you insult her.
Fine. I'm not going to say anything about your mother. And you won't say anything about my room.
Deal.
So, get cleaning.
What?
Is that not the reason you're here? Do your job. Don't forget that you missed those things.
Agnes, you've not gone to the market?
Ma, I'm sorry, I've been cleaning.
Cleaning? How long does it take for someone to clean the house? Or you're just being lazy?
I'm very sorry, ma.
Be fast about it.
Yes, ma.
You? What are you doing here?
Ma, she's my daughter. I asked her to come so that she can help me.
Your daughter?
Yes, ma.
So this riffraff, low life, is your daughter competing with my son in school?
Ma, she's not a riffraff.
Quiet! I can call her whatever I want.
Ma'am, please, I'm sorry. I've completely forgot about what happened in school today.
You better make sure that nothing goes missing in this house.
Oh, ma'am, please, I'm not a thief. I've never stolen anything.
Keep quiet. Every poor person is a thief. Just because you've not had the opportunity doesn't mean you're not a thief. Look, my son's t-shirts better not go missing.
Oh, ma'am, please, that's the complete wrong assumption to make about somebody just because they don't have money.
Oh, you have a mouth on you, right? You're challenging me in my own house.
Ma, please.
No, ma, I was just correcting you.
You know what? Both of you, get out! You're stinking up my sitting room.
She's just a child, ma.
Out! Out! Can you imagine? Challenging me in my own house. Rubbish. Nuisance.
Make sure you clean everywhere. I don't like the fact that when they are talking, you are responding. Don't respond to them, okay?
Okay, mommy.
I don't want us to lose this job. If we lose this job now, what are we going to do? So leave them, let them be talking or whatever. Just don't respond, okay?
Okay, mommy.
And clean everywhere. Make sure that you dust. I don't want to see anywhere here dirty. So let me go and buy something and come back. We will now cook jollof and fry it.
Okay, mommy.
You hear me? Yes. Don't answer them.
I won't answer them.
When you're done with this plate, get me a cup of coffee. Don't add sugar to it. Why are you not answering me?
I heard you. I'm not deaf.
You're very rude.
Spoiled brats.
Come in.
Your coffee is ready.
Your coffee is ready, sir.
Me? Call you sir. It's like your brain is touching.
I am not going to tell you again. I am not taking nonsense. Your coffee is ready, sir.
Look, I don't have time. I have a lot of work to do.
Your coffee is ready, sir.
Sir, your coffee is ready. Oh! I'm so sorry. I didn't mean for that to happen. Okay, it was not intentional. Just next time, don't ask me to call you sir.
How could you?
I'm so sorry.
Let me get out.
Is he really injured? God, I don't mean for this to escalate. My mom doesn't use her job over this. It.
You see you. After you poured hot coffee on me, you will see shege in this house. Trust me.
You must be mad. Something is wrong with you.
Did I just hear you call my son mad? Huh?
Mom.
I'm asking you a question. I'm not talking to you. You just called him mad. Silly ass.
Ma, he was making a mess.
He was making a mess. Stupid girl.
You should have slapped her. We were just playing. She didn't mean it.
You're just playing. You're just playing, Daniel. With this low-life, silly girl. She's not your level. Just because she managed to gain admission in your school doesn't mean that you're on the same level. You're so classy. Daniel, wait. Don't follow her. Don't follow her. You're this girl. Daniel! Sophie. What happened? Why did you run after her like that? Don't you this girl? I'm surprised. Daniel!
Sophie. Please, I'm sorry. I didn't expect that slap to happen. Sophie, say something. You can call me names, but just say something to me.
You're not on my level, so just leave me alone.
Come on, I said I'm sorry.
Will your sorry fix my face? No, say sorry to my face. Let the pain go away. If you hadn't torn up those pieces of paper, none of this would have happened.
But you poured hot coffee on me first.
Because you were forcing me to call you sir.
Look, let's just leave this behind us. I already said sorry. And besides, we are both at fault, so just leave this.
I'm not at fault, you're the one that's wrong.
You're stubborn. And you need eyes on that face.
All this is because of your mom and that sister-in-law of yours.
I know. Come. Let me help. Keep your face still.
Just give it to me, I can do it by myself.
No, I said keep your face one place.
Ouch, it's cold.
Obviously it's cold, it's ice. Are you expecting it to be hot?
You don't have to be so sarcastic.
Can you keep your face one place? I promise to be gentle.
Please be gentle. Because this ice is freezing my brain.
Your brain will survive. Yet. Does it still hurt?
Of course it hurts. You didn't say anything when they slapped me.
Because everything happened so fast. I wasn't even expecting you to call me mad.
Because you were behaving mad.
You're not scared of me, are you?
Why would I be scared of you? Just because you have money doesn't mean you're a liar.
You know, most people in this house do not talk to me the way you do.
Come here. Come here. What were you doing? What were you doing in my son's room? What are you doing in his room? Answer me!
Ma, I was...
You are what? I'm asking you. Yeah. Answer me, I'm talking to you before I give you... Slap.
Mom, why are you dragging her like that?
Ask her what she was doing in my son's room.
I was just putting ice on my face.
What happened to your face? Mom, don't tell me you did this to her.
She wants to turn Daniel into her puppet.
Mom, did you do this to her?
You did not even ask what she did.
No matter what she did, you don't have no right, Mama. Absolutely no right to put your fingers on her. Where's your mom?
She went to the
people.
market.
They've gone to the market. Sit out to me, she's not back.
Her mother went to the market and you're beating her up.
She deserves it.
She deserves nothing. She doesn't. Sophia, take it off.
Thank you, sir.
Mom, I'm so disappointed at you.
Hi, babe. Why is your face like this?
I heard that you joined my mother in beating up that small girl.
Why are you getting angry? She's just a maid.
Oh. Maids are no longer human beings, right? So because she's a maid, you will descend on her the way you like. Huh?
I was just supporting your mom.
So the best place to support my mom is in perpetuating evil, right? Against somebody who is actually weaker than you.
Sorry. I didn't know you'd get angry, sorry.
You shouldn't be sorry because I'll get angry. You should be sorry for doing something wrong.
Sorry. I'm sorry, I just apologized. I'm sorry. But I wanted to see you. I wanted us to talk about something.
Okay?
When are we getting married?
Come on, I'm still angry and you're talking about marriage.
We've been together for 3 years, so what's the delay?
Can you hear yourself? I just got back, I'm exhausted. You beat someone up, you're telling me about wedding?
Why are you trying to avoid this conversation? Why? Anytime I bring this up, you just find a way around it.
Please, marriage, wedding, oh.
Hi, Mom. Have you seen Sophie?
Sophie, that girl and her thief of a mother, they took my money and ran.
I don't understand. Sophie was here today.
Yes, I sent her mother to the market since afternoon and up to now, she's not back. The next thing I know, Sophie disappears too.
Mom, Sophie, her mom can't do that.
Oh, so you're calling me a liar? You're calling me, your mother, a liar? Because of a nobody?
Mom, I never said that. Forget it. Please, is there food?
Are you deaf? Did you hear what I just said? I gave them money to buy something in the market and now you're back. You're asking me for food.
Whatever, Mom. I'm going to get a snack.
These people will not kill me in this house.
I've been trying to call her since and her number is not going through. It's not like her to go out this late without calling. Mommy!
Yes,
what happened? What happened to your hand? Sit down, careful, be careful. Mommy, what happened?
You know, I was going to the market. As I was trying to cross the road, one careless bike man just wiped me off.
That's bad.
I've been in the hospital all day trying to take treatment.
I was so worried. I tried calling you, but your number was not going through.
My phone scattered there immediately.
I'm sorry. That's a serious one.
How is Madame? I'm sure she was in that house making a hell of a noise all over the place.
And Mommy, what's happening in that house? Even me, I don't understand. It's very serious.
Really? What happened?
It's a long story, but the eldest son, he gave me the day off, so I should come home.
As it is now, we are not sure of any job again. I think she is going to sack us.
She's not going to.
I need to go to the house this night and explain everything to her.
Mom, with your hand like this?
Because
you just came out from the hospital, you need to rest.
If I don't go now, maybe she'll be thinking I've run away with her money.
Mommy, we'll go and explain to her tomorrow morning. We'll go together. Okay?
Okay. Did you eat anything?
Have eaten. Mommy, just try and rest. Okay? Then should I stand up? Mommy.
Don't worry.
Mom, I want to understand something. So if the maid is not in this house, nobody will eat.
So who is supposed to cook? Me? I will so deal with her when I see her.
Mom, do you realize how many maids you fired within the last 3 months?
This one is a thief. A big thief. She'd run away with my money.
Ella? Please, can you go make us something to eat for breakfast? I need to be at the office as soon as possible.
Which Ella? No. No, I cannot go and make anything for anybody to eat too. I just made my nails. Look at it.
It is simple breakfast, Ella.
And my nails are white. To get dirty.
Bro, can we just order food? You of all people know that your wife is so lazy.
Taking my money and running away with it.
Have you thought about the possibility that she might be in trouble? That something might have happened to her? She has not behaved like this before.
It's nothing wrong with her.
I'll eat at the office.
Look at her.
Can you imagine?
She's here. Look at the rubbish.
The nerve of you to show your face after running away with my money!
Good morning, Ma. Ma, I didn't run away with your money. Yesterday, I had an accident on my way to the market and I spent the whole day in the hospital. I'm very sorry, Ma.
Mommy, do you know what? Just fire her. She's useless at this point.
In fact, you are fired.
Oh no, Ma, please, I can take over her job.
No. Madam Agnes, please, take the day off, okay? Alright?
Okay, thank you.
So your daughter can stand up for you.
You be going step with your broken hand. Go home.
Okay.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
I think she wants me to fire her too. Can you go and get some food for us?
They want pity.
No, you know what? I'll eat at the office. I don't have that time.
Alright, have a nice day.
You know, wait, small.
Hurry up!
You wait for the food. You have all this time in the world.
Please be fast!
Hey. So you can actually cook.
Yes, I can cook.
Who taught you?
My mom?
Because you're a girl.
No. Because cooking is a survival skill. Anybody can learn it.
Well, I can't cook.
That's because nobody taught you to cook.
You can teach me.
No.
Why?
Your mother would kill me if she saw you in this kitchen.
Nah, she won't do anything, trust me. And even if she tries, I will stop her.
Okay. Not that I believe you though. But okay.
You know, this is actually my first time staying in this kitchen.
It is?
Yeah. Normally food just appears on the dining.
Of course it does. People like you never know what's going on behind the scenes.
Ouch.
Well, am I wrong?
So you do this every day?
Yes, sometimes before school.
And you still have time to compete with me for the president election?
Competes with you.
Yes.
I actually won that.
Okay, fine. You won. Happy. I'll just stay here and watch you cook.
Why?
Because it's fun. And I would also want to watch if you would add poison inside that.
Poison?
Yes, I need to watch.
Oh, you think too highly of yourself. Hi. What's all this now? Why can't this boy be responsible for once?
I'm sorry. I'm not really used to arranging things.
Don't you know clothes can go in the wardrobe? And not on the floor like this. Are you still a child?
I said I'm sorry.
I don't want your sorry. I thought I would just come here and clean up quickly so I could rest before this evening. But you had to make a hurricane in here. How am I supposed to clean all this and still have time to study for the quiz?
Quiz?
Yes, the quiz in school. I have to win it so my mom doesn't have to buy books this year. Since you already took the president position from me.
Hey, come, sit, please. I'm sorry. You can stay here and read while I sort out this whole place. I never knew the president position meant a lot to you.
With that position, my mother wouldn't have to buy books for the whole year. That was why I worked so hard for it, but you took the opportunity from me.
And I'm sorry. I really am. Look, I'm going to do everything in my power for you to pass that quiz. I promise. And if you need anything like books, notes, practice questions, anything, I promise I'll provide it. Just sit here and let me fix this disaster.
Okay.
Sophie, why are you still doing this? You're meant to be reading, not washing.
Daniel, this job is as important to me as the quiz is.
Okay, let me help. Let me wash, go and read.
No, this is my job. You can just read to me.
I don't read.
Well, that's the first time for everything. So just read.
You're making me do things I've never done before.
Reading is a good thing. And you should be doing it more often. Thank you.
Let's see what this torture is about. Paragraph 3. Are you listening?
I'm listening.
Paragraph 3. The sun was setting slowly behind the hills. And she looked at him. He was the only person left in the world. This story actually sounds so emotional.
Daniel, just read it.
Okay, so where did I stop?
What exactly is going on here?
I'm helping her read. She has quiz coming up.
You're helping her read.
Yes.
He's reading to you. Okay. Read them.
Continue. Let me continue. Continue.
Ma, please, I swear nothing happened.
Keep quiet! You've finally shown your true colors. The nerve of you to get close to my son!
Ma, he was only helping me read. I swear nothing happened between me and him.
Liar! Helping you read. As what? Huh? Your boyfriend?
No, it wasn't my boyfriend. Please, no, he was only helping me read. Daniel was reading to me.
You're such a shameless girl. Shameless girl. Just because you're in the same school with him, you think that you're in his class, right?
No, ma, there's nothing going on. Please,
silly girl. What do you think you're running to?
Please.
Can you imagine her? Give me the game.
No, Mom, there's nothing.
Keep quiet. Don't imagine.
Please, there's nothing going on. I swear.
That's what you think, right?
No.
Save you.
No.
Nobody's coming to save you because I've sent him out.
No, Daniel.
Peter and Ababa.
No, ma.
Silly girl. You want to fight me?
No, ma. I'm not fighting.
Bloody popper. Next time you stay away from him. Stay away from my son.
Sophie! Jesus, what happened? Why like this? What happened? Who touched you? Mom! Ella! Who touched you? What happened? Sophie, talk to me. Sophie! Wait, let's try and get you up. Sorry. Come. Sorry. Mom! Take. Sorry. Sure. It's pain relief, okay? Just... Yeah. Sorry. It will help. Just relax. After a few minutes, it will start working. But trust me, I won't let this slide. At all.
You have to let this go.
I should let this go. Sophie, look at your face. They beat you up like you are some thief or something. I'm not letting this slide.
Your mother already hates me. If you fight her because of me, it will only make things worse.
Daniel, what is she doing in the bed? Will you get down from the bed right now?
Mom,
sorry.
you have already done enough today. Can you just leave my space?
You're asking me, your mother, to leave because of this thing.
She's not a thing, Mom. She's my friend.
Your friend?
Yes.
Really? When did she become your friend? Friend to the servants? Look, you're fired. You and your miserable mother, you're fired.
No,
get out of here.
Please, I really need that job. You can't fire me. I'm sorry.
You don't even need to fire her, Mom. I'm going to make her quit.
No, Daniel, ma, please, I'm sorry.
You're going to regret this. In fact, both of you will regret this.
Ma, please,
You're even lucky I'm not even calling the police for you. What's all this?
Daniel, why would you say that?
Sophie, I am going to sort this out.
You can't sort this out. Daniel, you're just a student. You can't afford all this.
Don't you trust me?
I do, but like I said, you're just a student like me. How will you be able to...
I'm not just any student. I'm an executive student.
An executive student? What does that even...
Everything will be sorted out. Do not worry, okay? I promise you, all this. Just don't mind my mom. I will sort this out. I'm not kidding. Okay? Can I get a hug?
As long as it's just a hug.
Okay. I'll sort this out.
What is all this? Eh? What is this? How can they do this to you? Look at your body. Oh my God. Oh my God. What happened? What happened after I left?
Well, they fired me. Fired me after beating me like a thief.
What is this? Hey, what kind of life is this? Look at my daughter, what kind of thing is this?
No, mommy, it's not your fault.
It's my fault. It's my fault that I will put my little daughter in this kind of condition because of poverty.
No, mommy, you've
because
done...
of nobody. Oh, imagine.
Please stop.
My daughter that should be going to school. Oh.
You've done everything you could for me. Everything. It's not your fault.
Hey, God help us, please. I'm so sorry.
Mommy, we're going to be fine.
It's okay.
We'll be fine. I know we'll be fine. Okay? You don't cry. Don't cry, don't cry.
We'll find something to do. If they fire us, even if we will sell caram up the road, even if we will sell pure water.
Mommy, Mommy, don't worry. You don't get to that. We'll be fine. Okay, Mommy, don't cry.
Sorry, yeah.
I'm fine.
Look at my hand that is still paining me. I cannot really walk. Eh? Look at what they did to you.
No,
my pretty angel. My baby. Oh.
Mommy, you've done your best.
Poverty, you are mad.
Come in. Bro. Daniel, what are you doing here?
I know I have 20% royalties from the company.
Who told you that?
Dad told me before he died.
Did he also tell you that you need to turn 25 before you get access to the money?
Yes, he did.
So why are we having a conversation?
Because I need it.
That is not a pocket money that can withdraw any day, anytime that you want it. That is actually tied to the company.
I know, but I'm not asking for everything. Just a little.
What do you need the money for? Daniel. Alright, if you're not going to tell me what you need the money for, let's pretend this conversation never happened. And...
Okay. I want to help Sophie.
Sophie?
Yes.
Talk to me. What is exactly going on between you and Sophie?
Nothing that serious.
Nothing serious. And you're helping her?
Bro, I promise you, it's nothing. I just want to help her.
Daniel, you are in secondary school. You're a student.
I'm not saying I'm going to marry her or anything. Look, I just want to help her. Her mom is injured. They barely even have food to eat. Their rent is even due. I just want to help. Nothing else.
You know what? I've never seen you this serious before.
Because I am serious. Very serious. Please.
Sit down.
Sweetheart, where are you going all dressed up and lacing your shoes already?
I'm going to look for a job.
Looking for a job? Why? Why would you look for a job? Your own job is to go to school and concentrate on your education. By the way, what kind of job are you even going to get right now without a certificate? You want to look for another maid job? You want to be a maid like your mother?
Mommy, don't say that. Everything will be fine. And besides, school will have to wait.
School cannot wait. You have to go to school. And I'm serious. You have to take your school seriously. You cannot go anywhere and look for any job. I don't need any money from you or anything. I don't need any job or...
Good morning, ma.
How are you, son?
Fine, ma.
Good morning.
Yes, ma.
How is everybody at home?
It's fine, ma.
I was just going to do something inside. Okay. Excuse me.
What are you doing here?
You're not picking up my calls.
Well, because you're sounding crazy.
Crazy.
Yes, crazy. What do you mean you're going to pay my rent?
Because I will.
Look, I don't have time for your jokes this morning.
Can you check your phone?
Why should I check my phone?
Can you just check your phone?
Oh my... My landlord just said that our rent is clear. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
I have to go and tell my mom. Thank you. Mommy! Thank you so much. I've never seen my mother this happy before.
Seeing your mom happy meant a lot.
You really saved us today.
And now, one last mission.
Mission?
The quiz. You have to win it so that things can actually change for you and you can change your mother's place and you guys can live in a better place.
Relax, no, it's just a school quiz.
You've not heard.
Heard what?
They added 5 million naira to the prize.
What?
I'm serious.
You must be joking.
Check, 5 million, I'm serious.
5 million?
Yes.
Ah, then I have to win this thing. There's no sleep for me and I'll read day and night.
I knew you would.
Well, wait. Aren't you registering for it too?
No, I want you to win it all.
Or are you scared that I'll beat you again?
Beat me? Excuse me. I beg. Oh. Sorry. I know my limits now.
Anyways, I'm going to register you for it and you must show up. Oh, you could thank you once again.
It's fine.
Daniel, where have you been? I've been so worried.
I stepped out.
Stepped out to where? I'm asking you a question. Where did you go?
I stepped out with Sophie.
What did you say? Who? Who is that?
Sophie.
Sophie.
Yes.
Are you alright? Are you alright? Huh? Since when did my son become friends with servants in the servant quarters?
Mom, she's my friend.
She's your friend.
Yes.
You're not serious. You're not serious at all.
I am actually. She has a quiz coming up next week, so I just helped her.
She has a quiz coming up next week. You helped her. So you are her tutor now. Her lesson teacher. Her reading partner. Or what? I don't understand.
Mom, I do not have time for this interrogation right now. Good night.
Seriously. Daniel! I was worried. Okay. Problem.
I actually just finished arranging my room.
Really? Oh, that's a good boy.
You taught me well.
Oh yeah, I taught you well.
I never knew a day would come where I would wake up and arrange my room.
Miracles can happen.
Actually.
Come in.
Hey.
You came.
You're not happy to see me?
Oh, no, I am. It's just, I'm surprised.
What about your room?
She went to check her hand at the hospital.
Perfect timing then.
Why are you saying it like that?
I got you something.
You did? I'm like, this is beautiful, Daniel. I love it.
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And I really like red.
I know you would like it.
But Daniel, why are you getting me stuff? I mean, what's RV? Daniel, you've not answered my question. Well, you came early today.
You're the one that taught me to be waking up early.
Well, you do know that people who wake up early are actually serious with their lives.
I got you something.
You did?
Yep.
Oh, what is it?
Don't open it yet. Open it when you get home.
But why?
Because I said so.
Fine.
Yep.
Oh, you're becoming mysterious these days.
Is it big? It's a good thing.
No, it's not. I like to know. I don't like surprises like that.
Just leave it. When you get home, you open it.
If you say so.
Yep.
Dear Sophie, I don't know when this started. Maybe the first day you argued with me in class, or the first day you told me cooking is a survival skill. At first I thought you were just stubborn. But now I know you're different from everyone I've ever met. You're strong even when life is hard. You smile even when you're tired. And you care about your mother in a way that makes me respect you every day. When my mom hurt you that day, I felt something break inside me. I realized I never want to see you in pain again. I like being around you. I like hearing you talk. I even like it when you insult me for being lazy. When you laugh, my whole day becomes better. I don't know if I'm too young to feel this way, but I know it's real. So I want to say it properly. I like you, Sophie, not just as a friend. And I promise I'll always be by your side, even when the world is not. Daniel. Dear Daniel,
Who is that? Come in. Yeah. Sophie! You came.
yes. I knew nobody would be home by this time.
Why?
Well, about your letter the other day. This is my reply.
You wrote me a letter.
Yes. But don't read it now. Read it when I go.
Why is that?
Because I'm shy.
Shy. Where's Joe? Okay. Let me read. Dear Daniel, when I first read your letter, I didn't know what to say. My heart was beating so fast. I kept reading it again and again because I thought maybe I misunderstood. But I didn't. You said you liked me, and the truth is, I like you too. Maybe I liked you from the day you helped me clean your messy room, or the day you read a novel for the first time just because of me. You make me laugh, even when I'm tired. When you're around, my problems don't feel heavy. I am still scared because our lives are very different, but my heart is happy when I think about you. So, this is my answer. Yes, I like you too. So, you like me too?
I told you not to read it now.
I got you something.
You did?
Just wait here.
Oh,
Yeah, hold on. Wanted to give it to you, but since you're here,
this is big.
here.
But Daniel, you can't keep buying me stuff. It's a lot.
I can actually. I get allowance every month and I do not know what to do with that. But ever since I met you, everything makes sense.
Thank you.
So you are going to try everything on.
Okay, let me upstairs.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm waiting.
Yo Sam Goku Bena Dudu Anina. Hold on. Good morning, ma. Welcome, ma. I was not expecting to see you at all. Ma, is there a problem?
I didn't come here for comfort. I came here to warn you.
Warn me? For what?
Tell your daughter to stay away from my Daniel.
Ma, me?
Look, let me make it simple for you. Tell your daughter to stop going after my Daniel.
My daughter goes to school, comes back directly to the house. She is in no way pursuing your son. In fact, it is your son that has been pursuing my daughter. Every day.
Okay, there must have been a misunderstanding then.
It's possible.
I will talk to my son. And I am sorry for any inconvenience.
Okay, ma.
Can I have a glass of water?
Yes, ma. 1 minute.
You know what? You can choke on that your miserable water and this your smelling house. Pwah.
What did they do rich people safe? Eh? I be person get money, get us in brain, they rotten. I don't understand. I can't wash the glass. Make it clean. Just to give this woman water. I drink my water.
Today is the day. Mommy, I'm moving us out of this place. We're going to rent somewhere fine, clean, and no more leaking roof. And that restaurant that you've been talking about, we're going to start it.
You and your big dreams.
Mommy, I'm not dreaming. They are plans.
Plans?
Yes.
Which one of you is Sophie?
No.
I'm Sophie.
What happened?
You need to come with us.
What is it, officer?
You are accused of stealing Mrs. Evelyn's wristwatch.
What? I didn't take anything. I don't...
Wristwatch? No, she's not a thief.
I guess the watch is inside there.
Officer, there's nothing inside, I swear.
Okay, you're under arrest. Anything
Officer,
you say or do will be used against you in the court of law.
No.
Now
Officer,
move.
please.
Take her. Please,
Officer, I have a question. Let me write
you can come to the station. Take her, you can come to the station.
No, I didn't take
Move on, let's
anything.
go.
I didn't take it. Mommy, please help me. I didn't take anything.
Please.
Officer, leave me.
Move.
Please. Officer, I didn't steal.
Which station are you?
Officer, leave me alone.
Which station are you going to?
Officer.
Go, move.
Release Sophie.
What are you talking about?
Mom, I know you know what I'm talking about. Don't act like this right now. Please release Sophie.
That girl is a thief. If the police arrested her, then they must have their reasons.
She's not a thief. She's my friend.
Well, I don't know what you're saying. I don't know what you're talking about.
Mom, what you're doing is wrong. She has a quiz coming up today. And she's not meant to miss that quiz, Mom.
I don't know anything.
Mom, if Sophie misses this quiz today, this whole house will not contain us.
Daniel.
I know what I'm saying.
Daniel, you're threatening me because of a maid.
That bloody thief.
Mom,
What is it?
Bro, Mom arrested Sophie.
Yes. How?
I do not know. Ask her. She doesn't want to give me answers.
Mom, did you arrest Sophie?
I don't know what you're saying. I have no idea.
I'll make calls, right? I'll make calls. I'll put my contacts, then we'll find out where she is.
Bro, Sophie has a quiz today and she can't miss it. You know how hard she has worked for this quiz.
Oh, God damn it. Alright, there's no time to be broken. There's no time to just calm down. We're going to do something. So, you go dress up. You're going to stand in for her in the quiz, alright?
I should stand in for her.
Yes, whilst I make calls, I'll call my police friends and find where she is. Because if you wait before I could come through with the police, she would have missed the quiz already.
But I'm not ready for this quiz.
Come on, did you prepare with her?
Yes.
You studied with her?
Yes.
You did?
Yes.
So you go there, you answer the way she would answer, right? Okay? You get it?
Yes.
Good. So, but most importantly, did you get registered in the quiz?
She registered me.
Perfect! So that's what we want to do. So go for the quiz whilst I go get her anywhere she is in the police station, alright? Okay? Good.
You want to go and represent a thief?
Let me go and wear my uniform.
A maid for that matter. A maid!
Mom! You're stepping bounds, Mom. You're overstepping!
Mommy, I'm so sorry. I couldn't go for the quiz competition.
It's okay.
My only chance out of this life.
It's okay.
I failed.
You didn't fail, it's fine. I'm okay with that, okay?
You didn't fail. You won.
How?
You went?
Yes, I did. I answered every question the way Sophie would. I couldn't see you fail, so I did it. Here.
Thank you.
It's fine.
Oh, that's good. You know, you could do anything if you truly care about someone.
I don't know how to thank you.
And you don't need to. Just don't stop dreaming. Don't stop. You can do everything.
Congratulations, Sophie.
Thank you.
Come inside.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean for things to go this far.
Sorry, Mom. Mom, sorry cannot fix the nightmare you've created. I'm going to drag this on social media. Everyone will know how you stood in between that innocent girl and her dreams, and how you bullied her.
I don't know what got over me. It's the devil. Okay. Please, it's a mistake.
Listen, Mom. Dana has decided to get out of the house.
Yes.
Because of your behavior.
No.
And I as well.
Please.
We are packing out.
Don't do this.
We are leaving this house.
Please don't do this to me. If it's for me to beg, I'm ready to beg. I'm ready to kneel down. Please. No. I will change. Please. Don't abandon me. Don't leave me.
Mom, you're ready to beg?
Yes.
Sophie! Sophie! Here she is. Apologize.
Please go to beg.
Sophie, I'm sorry. It was a mistake. It was the devil. I'm so sorry.
Oh, no, Ma, it's okay.
I'm sorry, please. Forgive me.
I've already forgiven you.
I'm ready to change. It will not happen again. I can't lose you. Please. Please.
Sophie has forgiven you. We all make mistakes, right? And so long as you now understand that you've made grievous mistakes and you're willing to change, it's okay.
Thank you. Thank you, my son. Come, my daughter, come. Oh.
Mama Chicken, you serious? I never know how to do the Facebook. Oh.
Mommy, please start packing. We have to go.
What is happening? Daniel came here to look for you.
Mommy, please do not mention that name again to me. Just start packing.
God, this girl will be. Why is your number not connecting? I'm meant to go to the bank to withdraw this money today and you're not answering your call. Oh God. Our girls are coming late. Like what's all this now?
Mommy, we have to hurry. No, this is...
My daughter! Yeah! Hey, what? Hey! Baby!
Sophie, come on, pick up. Like, why are you not picking your calls? What's all this? Pick up, come on.
Hey, young man, what are you doing here?
Bro, it's been 5 days. 5 good days. I've not heard anything from her. She didn't even come to school to pick up her results. Went to her place was locked. The neighbors now said she traveled. Like everything's not making sense. She won't leave me like this. At all. I need to find her.
Maybe they traveled.
Traveled?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Why do you? Or you think she would have told you before she traveled?
Yes.
Alright, so we have a few things at hand and uncertainty also. Come downstairs, come and eat. You need to be alive to find her.
I just don't know what to do right now. I don't know.
Alright, tomorrow morning we'll go and make an official report at the police station.
I've already done that.
Oh. Okay, so tomorrow I'll make a few calls, then I'll follow up the case with the police. Is that okay? I promise.
Okay.
Is it good? That's Gandhi. Cheer up. Come on.
Sweetheart.
Who are you?
You don't recognize me. You don't remember me. You can't recognize me.
Where am I?
We are in the hospital. I'm your mother.
What happened?
So you cannot remember. We got hit by a car on the street.
I was hit by a car. How come I don't remember it?
You really don't remember anything? Oh my God. The doctor said you lost your memory. So you can't remember me. Look at me very well. Look at me very well. You can't remember me. You really... I'm coming. Let me call the doctor. Take it easy. Take it easy. Keep this. Can lie down if you want to. John.
want to eat something? I can prepare any kind of food you want for you right now. See that? Don't want to eat?
Where are we?
We are very safe in this place. The young man who knocked you down, he actually got us this place, so we can stay for now. You sure you don't want to eat something? Say something, Mama. I don't want to eat anything.
Hiding in this room again. You've been here for days. You need to come and eat something.
Mom, please tell me you found her.
Not yet, but we're looking.
Mom, it's been days. It's been days. She can't just disappear like that.
Maybe she went somewhere with her mother.
She would have told me, Mom. We planned on withdrawing the money from the bank. I stood outside for hours, Mom. I tried calling. I called her. She did not answer. It's so unusual. Mom, I want her. I want to see her. And I do not care about any other thing else. I want to see her, even if it's just for 1 minute. I want to see her, Mom.
Daniel. Look, my darling, we will find her. I promise you, we will find her. Don't worry. Daniel.
Give this back. Leave it alone.
Daniel, you're drinking alcohol. Huh? Is that how you want to solve your problems? By drinking yourself to sleep?
I want her. I want Sophie back. I can't do without her.
You can't do it without her. That's why you want to destroy your life. Huh?
Can you just give me back my drink?
Will you shut up and listen to me? Do you want to ruin your life? Look, Daniel. This is not worth it. Wherever she is, she would wish that you behaved better. You don't have to go drinking, become an alcoholic. You don't do that. She's not dead. I think wherever she is, she might be alive, yes. But then you need to be alive. Stop this. Please. Stop drowning. By the way, delivery man got this for you.
What's this?
Check it out, it's your package.
See you later. I know this letter will shock you, but it's the only way I can explain myself. Please stop looking for me. I don't want to see you again. What we had was never real to me, the way it was real to you. You were kind to me and you helped me with what I needed. I have already withdrawn the 5 million naira from the check. This was the reason I stayed around. I stayed around you for so long. Now that I have the money, there's nothing keeping me there. I have moved on. I have moved on with my life and I want you to do the same. Take your chain. She hates me.
It's okay.
She doesn't love me.
No.
What's this later? What's this later? What does it mean?
Calm down.
Who sent this?
Calm down.
Okay.
No, calm down. Annabel.
She hates me.
Annabel, it's okay.
No, it's not okay. It's not okay. It is not okay. It is not okay. What is this?
Come here.
What's this? What's this?
It's okay. It's okay. Calm down. It's gonna be fine. Look, it's okay. Don't have to cry. It's okay. Stop. Please, stop. It's okay.
Mommy! What happened? Mommy, my head hurts. What happened? Jesus. Mommy, my head hurts. Can you please make it stop?
Sorry.
Mommy, my head.
Sorry.
Mommy,
God.
What is it? Sophie! Sophia! What's all this? Like, no. You said you loved me. You said you cared. What's this? What's this? 5 million. So 5 million was what I was worth to you. What? Aish. I loved you.
Mom, I've never seen Daniel this hurt before.
That girl, she destroyed my son. I warned him. I warned him from the beginning that she wasn't right for him. Now, look at him. Destroying things, shouting at the top of his voice, making everyone uncomfortable.
Mom, look, the girl that he loved so much might have played him. Look, it's just normal for him to feel broken.
Might. She did. She took the 5 million naira and left him a breakup note. What more proof do you need?
I don't know. I just don't know.
You don't know? What do you mean you don't know?
Mom, see, look, this story doesn't really add up. Like, there is something that feels off about it.
No, Ethan, no. Don't you dare start defending her. Don't. She played your brother. can't watch him destroy himself like this. I can't.
Mom, the only thing we can do right now is let him let that anger out of him. He needs to let it out. We can't stop him. But I promise you that I'll put an eye on him. But I still insist. There is something about this whole thing that doesn't sit well with me.
What doesn't sit well? She used him and she left. As simple as that. And now my baby is hurt.
Time will tell. Hey, Mom.
Look how he's shouting. Look how he's breaking things.
Mom, stop. Stop crying. Stop. It's gonna be fine.
What will I do? What will I do? Sophie! Sophie! Please answer me. You're not meant to leave, bro. Sophie! Sophie! Sophie, if you can hear me, please open the door, please. Please, Sophie. Sophie, answer me, please.
Oga, now every day you dey come. Now every day, nobody dey inside this house again. Nobody dey.
But they will come back, right?
Nobody dey. I'm not sure say they come back. Just because now every day they come. Now wetin make me dey tell you. Nobody did the house.
What are you saying? Sophie, Sophie, please. Sophie, you're not meant to leave me, please. You said you cared. You said you cared. Why would you leave?
Sweetheart, the man who knocked you down, he's the one who paid for everything, all your medical bills, and even paid for this place. Said we should stay here for some time. We're going to be fine. He's quite a nice guy. He really did well.
Where are we?
We are in Lagos.
Lagos?
Yes, we are in Lagos. We left Abuja to Lagos before the accident that you had.
Lagos?
Yes, Lagos. That's where we are.
He's severely weak, emotionally stressed and dehydrated. It's all beginning to affect him. Who is Sophie?
That girl is the problem. She's the one that ruined my son's life. She's the one why he's on sick bed now. Wherever she is, it will never ever be well with her. She will not know peace for ruining my son's life.
Man, please. I understand you're upset, but this isn't what he needs right now. All he needs is a calm environment, not anger.
Doctor, what do we do? I think this is not getting funny anymore.
Physically, we will manage him here, but emotionally, he would need distance. Take him out of here to somewhere new, somewhere that doesn't remind him of her.
Do you think that will help?
To be honest, it won't erase what happened, but it will help him heal, to at least forget and move on.
Doctor, I heard you. I'll see to that.
Okay. You guys take things easy, he will be fine. Just make sure he feeds properly, take his medications, he will be fine.
So, take this one and serve the customer there. Okay? Awazigwa kuweyo. Awazigwa kuweyo. Agwaja. Chris, how are you?
I'm fine, ma.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma.
I'm fine, son.
Okay.
I'm fine. It's so good to see you. Sophie.
Hi, Sophie.
Hi.
Let me get something in the room.
Okay,
I'm
ma.
coming.
Okay. So how are you feeling today?
Oh, I'm much better now, thank you.
Okay. You know, I've been meaning to come see you properly.
Oh, you've already done a lot for me.
No, I haven't. I still feel responsible for what happened to you.
Well, there was an accident. It wasn't your fault.
Still, it changed your life. Well, I got you clothes. At least to replace what you lost.
Thank
the other
you.
day.
You didn't have to.
I have to.
Thank you, Chris.
You remember my name?
Of course I do.
Wow. That's nice.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Sophie, sweetheart.
Yes, mommy, I'm coming. Thank you for everything.
It's okay. Everything is fine. I will come again.
Okay, I need to.
Right.
Daniel, all of a sudden this is your new room. You run in here in solitude. Is that the best? How many times would you read this letter? Huh? Come on. I'll be traveling tomorrow to Lagos. And in as much as it's a business meeting, I will also have some few days for pleasure. I'd like you to come with me.
I don't want to go anywhere. What if she comes back? What if Sophie comes looking for me? She's going to meet me here. I'm not going anywhere.
Daniel, look, you need to start moving on.
I am not moving on. That's even the worst. I am not. She's going to look for me. I know.
Alright. Don't move on. Wait for your love. But okay, look at it from this perspective. Since Dad died, we've not had time together. Brother to brother. Let this Lagos be that point that we'll make our time. We all are busy, you're busy with school. And I like this moment with you. You know, you get to see new places, free up your mind a little bit, help with this whole thoughts that you're going through. So we just bond more like brothers. Think about it. I can't leave you here. I just want to make sure you're by my side. Okay, fine, good. Right? Come on, think about it. It's before dawn, so... Okay, let me bribe you a little bit. I'm gonna tell the driver. They'll drive to Lagos waiting for us. So, I'll drive you around Lagos City. You look around. See beautiful things. Go to the beach. Is that okay? Come on. Think about it, it'll be good. I love water. I just feel like swimming right now.
I don't know swimming. Water is not that clean.
It's not clean? No, it's actually clean. Maybe in my next life I'll be a fish. You don't want to be a fish? What would you like to be?
I love to myself.
So that you fall in love with Sophie. I'll be a dolphin, so you guys come around and play with me in the waters, you know.
Yeah, unless that you can enjoy being a dolphin.
Yeah, yeah. So, these are our logistics. The machines, everything. This is what the company is about. Right? The dredging and everything that comes with it.
Nice.
Yeah, so once you're done with school, this is the future.
Woo!
Oh my God. Hey.
Daniel.
Mommy, so the other customer is asking for it.
Sophie! Oh my God! Where have you been? I have looked everywhere for you. You just disappeared. I've missed you so much.
Who are you?
What?
Who are you?
What do you mean by who am I? I'm Daniel. Mommy, did I change? What are you saying, Sophie? What do you mean?
I don't know you, so just don't touch me.
Okay. Sophie! Okay. Okay, look at this. Can you remember this? I bought you this, you wore it. Come on, Sophie, what are you saying? Sophie! Sophie! Sophie!
What happened?
Sophie!
Sophie! Sophie! Sophie, what did you say to her? What did you do to her?
Mama, why can't she remember me?
She had an accident. She rushed in one day and was telling me to pack. We should pack. So we started packing. We left Abuja in a hurry and came to Lagos. Since we came to Lagos, she has still been afraid. I don't know why. Because she won't even tell me. She won't say. And she lost her memory.
She lost her memory? That means she can't remember me?
She can't remember you. She can't even remember me. I had to start reintroducing myself to my own daughter. That's how bad.
Mama, tell me it's a lie. Please, she can't forget me. Mama, everything we have been through, she forget. Please. I need to make her remember me. I must remind her. She must remember me.
I just want her to be okay.
Hey, what was this?
Then how can you calm down?
Calm down? Bro, she can't even remember me. Everything we had, gone.
But it is not her fault.
I don't care. She has to remember me. The family doctor, please can you call him? I need to talk to him to find out the way on how she can remember me or something.
I'd called the doctor already. He said that you don't have to pressure her, that you have to give her time.
Time?
Yes, because pressuring her to remember could get things worse. And she might relapse.
So I should just stay and act like she's a stranger?
Yes, for now. That will help her.
No, I can't. You know I can't. The mother said she was running while she got hit by the car.
Okay.
But running? Why would she be running? Running from what? Who must have been chasing her?
We don't know that.
There's something must have happened.
Maybe.
This is not making sense.
We don't have that information. Maybe something has happened. But I bet you that the only person who can tell us what happened, her name is Sophie. And right now, she cannot remember a thing.
Then I would wait. I'm just not letting her down.
You again. Why do you keep showing up? I told you I don't know you. Just leave me alone.
I'm Daniel. I know you can't remember me yet, but can I just sit so we can catch up?
I don't know you, and I don't want to talk to you. So back off.
Okay, I know all this is my fault. I could have protected you when I had the chance, but...
Protected me? Who are you to protect me? Just stay away from me.
Leave her alone. Eh? Leave her alone. It is not her fault that she cannot remember you.
Daniel, you need to eat something.
I don't even know which is worst. Is it the fact that she left without saying anything, or the fact that she can't even remember me?
understand. And look, you have to give it time. Time heals everything.
The doctor said it might take days or weeks, even months. She might not even remember.
Then there's a very sad reality.
What if she never remembers me? What if she never regains her memory? Then what will become of me?
Daniel, the only thing you can afford right now is hope. And sometimes hope wouldn't make sense. Hope doesn't look like it. So, time. And you may also ask yourself, what if she remembers you? What if she regains her memory? Right? Don't dwell on the negative. Think of the positive also. Okay? Your food is getting cold. Eat something. You need to be alive to wait for her. Okay?
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
Hey! Hi. I want to buy food.
How much?
I want to buy everything.
Everything?
I'm actually serious, yeah.
You must be joking.
You're the one that cooked, right?
Yes.
Good. You've always been an incredible cook.
Thank you.
Yes.
I guess.
Good. And by the way, please sold out for everyone here.
No, I've paid before.
Just go somewhere and buy. I've bought everything. Sorry.
Why would you do that? Those are my
They
customers.
will come some other time.
You better finish all of this or I'm stuffing it down your throat.
No problem. Come and sit with me.
I just eat to my customers.
Daniel, aren't you going crazy?
I know. And I have to try.
Come on. Don't tell me you had them webel this from Abuja. This is crazy.
I needed it. Anything for her to remember me.
Are you kidding me? Daniel, you're determined. What about all the foods you'll be buying from the shop? Why are you keeping them?
The fridge.
The fridge is packed out already.
Then we make out space. But today, I'm going to buy every single thing she has ever made.
Wow. You know you're mad, right?
How do I look?
You look like a madman on a good mission.
Hi, Sophie.
The school uniform?
Yes. Please, can you remember it? It used to be yours. You always wear it after school. You never agreed to remove them.
Why are you wearing a school uniform? I guess you're really serious with this, you're weird.
Maybe I am, but this uniform holds a lot of memories that I do not want to lose. Even though you have.
Fine. Suit yourself. If it makes you happy, you can wear 10 of it.
Do you have food?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna take every single thing. Just clear the place, okay?
No, we have to talk about this. Why do you keep doing that?
Because I can. And it gives me a reason to stay with you. You should come to my place.
I don't go to strangers' homes.
Strangers? Is that what you are doing now? Look at me properly. Not like someone you're trying to avoid. Tell me the truth. do I look like someone that can actually hurt you?
No. But just because I don't feel scared next to you does not mean I know you. And I don't want to have to pretend.
Sophie.
Are you stalking me now? You know that's a crime, right?
Yes, I know. And I don't mind going in for it.
Look, I don't remember you. So please stop trying. It's getting irritating.
I won't stop. Sophie, I'm not going to stop until you remember. I won't.
Hi, Sophie.
Chris, what are you doing here?
Oh, your mom. She told me you were in the house, so I came to check up on you.
That's very thoughtful of you.
And who is this?
He's my friend.
What kind of friend?
And who are you to need that explanation?
I'm Daniel, and she's mine.
Look, I don't want any drama in this house. You need to leave.
You know his name, but you don't know mine. You can't even call my name to tell me to leave. Did you actually lose your memory, or are you just trying to forget me? Okay. Look at this. This is the letter you wrote me. I can recite this from head to toe. How could you forget me so easily?
You can clearly see she doesn't remember you. So why not just keep your emotional blackmail to yourself? What? You're not comfortable with me around?
No. I'm uncomfortable with what you're trying to do. You just don't touch me.
You know I'm the reason you're in this house, right?
What do you mean?
The house, the money to start up the business. Where did that come from? You think that just happened?
Look, I appreciate that, but I'm just not ready for any of this. Please just try and understand me. Chris, let go. I respect you. Don't make me regret that.
Why are you still like this?
She's seen someone else.
Well, that's an indication that she's moved on.
No. If she's moved on, then why all this? Why pretend like she has never met me before? She could have just looked me in the eye and told me, no, it's over. Why erase me all of a sudden?
She did tell you. She did. But she did it in a way that you never wanted to hear. You remember the letter she sent to you? That was her telling you, hey, Daniel, you moved on. You may as well move on. Rejection comes in many ways. Ways that would never expect them to come. All you have to do is observe it. Alright? You'll be fine.
Sophie.
Let me go.
Please, Sophie. Look, I'm not here to argue with you at all. I just want to show you something.
Look, I don't want to see you, and whatever it is you want to show me, it's not going to change anything.
You don't know that. Please, just come with me. Just this once. Okay, look. If I try this and you don't remember anything, fine. I'm not going to disturb you again. Please, just follow me. Just this once. I beg you. I am even going back to Abuja as well. So, please.
Fine.
Welcome.
Nobody's home?
No, it's just us.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
What is this?
Please, wear it.
Daniel, what are you trying to do?
Please don't ask me why. You promised me today. So, please. You look beautiful.
In a school uniform.
Especially in that. Can you just act like you're busy for like a minute?
You want me to pretend?
Yes. And just 1 minute. And I'll read this to you.
Why does this feel familiar? It's like I've done this before. I was in the kitchen and somebody was talking to me.
Because I was. Can you remember anything? Anything at all?
No. I don't.
Okay. Just listen. Even when you forget me, I will remember you. Enough for both of us. I would hold on to every laugh, every fight, every little moment you thought didn't matter. Because to me, they were everything. If one day you look at me like a stranger, I won't walk away. I would stay and I would fall in love with you again, over and over, until you find your way back to me. And if you never remember, then I would learn to live without the pain, but I would never stop loving you. But loving you was never a choice. It it was the only thing that ever felt right.
Why did that sound like it was more than just a story?
Because it isn't. It's the way I actually feel.
I'm sorry, I don't remember anything. But when you talk like that, it feels like I'm the one that's forgetting something important.
It's alright. Don't force it. Just feel it. Hey.
Hey. You cooked?
Yes, I did.
I didn't take you as somebody who cooked.
Did you used to? You know who taught me how to cook?
Your mom?
No. You.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Then why can't I remember something like that?
I wish I knew. Come on, let's eat.
Just one plate.
Yeah.
How are we supposed to eat like that?
Like this. It used to be your favorite thing. Mm-hmm.
This is actually good.
I learned from the best. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I have to go now. You really tried, but sorry, I just can't remember anything.
Wait. One last thing.
That's me.
I recorded some my brothers took. Didn't know he was recording, but I'm actually glad he did. I have watched this so many times. The way you smile, the way you look at me. Sophia, that was real.
Look, I'm sorry. I'm trying. I promise, I'm trying, but I don't remember anything. It's just blank.
Sophie! Oh my God, are you good? What happened? Please don't let this happen again. What's going on? I need help, please. Sophie, are you good? Please, get up. What's going on? Mama, please, how is she? Is she fine? Please.
Have I not told you to leave my daughter alone?
No, Mama. Please, let me just see her for
Would
1 minute.
you stop coming here?
Mama, please, I beg you. Okay, if I see her, I'm not going to say a word. Let me just look at her, please.
Do you not understand English? Stop coming here. Every time she sees you, she used to relapse. Please. I don't want you coming here again. Do you hear me? Oh yeah, go. Go home. I say go home, Sit down, Pombo. Sit down, let me.
Why did you make me do this? Why did you make me do this? Why did you have to ask me to do this? I stood here and watched him break into pieces right in front of me, crying and broken.
Mama, just let him go. I can't be the reason a mother and a son fall apart. If he keeps choosing me over his family, then I'll be the reason he breaks, and I don't want that. Just let him go, even if it hurts the both of us.
I am not understanding. I don't understand. Anyway, it's okay.
Dan, it's time to go.
I don't want to go.
Come on.
I want to stay for her.
You've done everything possible, but she doesn't remember you. What else are you going to do?
I want to love her through it. Even if she doesn't remember me, I don't care. I want to be there for her. I want to be where she is. And that's enough.
If that's enough for you, do you think that is enough for her? Then you're hurting her. She's overwhelmed. She breaks down every single time she sees you. That is not a good thing. If you really, really do love her, you need to give her time. You need to give her space. She needs to heal. She needs to regain herself. You need to let go. That's the proof of love, not cowardice. It's not your fault. Neither is it her fault. But this is the line. You have to let go. It's okay.
Why does it hurt so much? I'm supposed to pretend. I'm supposed to pretend like I don't remember him. Why is this so hard? Why? I remembered everything. I never forgot you. Every single thing. But I still have to let you go. It's better this way.
Bro, please, can we just stay one more day?
No, it's time to go.
Please, I beg you. I won't do anything stupid, I promise you.
That's the point. I can't trust you anymore. You've done enough already.
Okay. Please. Let me just see her one last time. I beg of you, please.
No.
Please, bro, I beg you.
No! It's time to go. You came.
I'm so sorry.
How?
I thought I could let you go, but I just can't let you go like this.
Then don't. Please don't again. Please. Bro, please, I'll meet you in Abuja. You finally remembered me.
I never forgot you.
What?
I remembered you from the start. Yes, I lost my memory at the accident. The moment I saw you, everything just came rushing back.
Then why would you put me through all that? Sophie, I was dying. I thought you forgot me. I thought I meant nothing to you.
No, don't say that. I was just trying to save my life. And my mother's.
Sophie, what's wrong? Tell me what happened. Why were you running that day? Why did you send me a text saying you are going to leave me?
Please don't kill me. I didn't do anything. Please don't. Ma?
I'll go with this one.
Ma, please. Please, I'm begging you. I didn't do anything.
So you think you can turn my son against me?
Oh no, ma, please. I swear, I didn't mean.
You think I've forgiven you? I hate you. I hate your guts. I hate your poverty-stricken self. You think I will allow a nobody like you into my home? Think again.
No, ma, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
Waste her!
Mama, please, I'm
Since
sorry,
she has
Mama,
refused to
please,
stay away from my son.
No, Mama, please, I'll stay away from you. I'll not see him again, Mama, please, I'm sorry.
Where is the check my son won for you?
It's here. I was going to cash
Give it to me!
I was going to cash it out.
We are planning to cash my son's money. The audacity! You don't deserve it.
Yes, I don't. But ma, I'm the only child that my mom has, so please just let me go.
Now listen to me. And listen good. You're going to leave the state. You and your miserable mother. You're going to stay far away from my son. Disappear into thin air. I don't want to see you anywhere near my son.
Yes,
Is that clear?
yes.
Untie her and let her get out of here!
My mom?
She found me. She made it clear that if I didn't stay away from you, it wouldn't end well for my mom or myself. Daniel, I was scared. I didn't know what else to do, so I ran.
I'm here now.
Okay.
Nobody's going to hurt you again. And whoever who's going to hurt you have to go through me. Okay.
Daniel, I tried so hard to forget you. But you're part of me, and no matter how I try to erase you, I just can't.
Oh, Ethan! Oh, I've missed you so much. Where's your brother?
He stayed back in the US.
Why? Why didn't he come with you? Why didn't he come?
He found her. He found the girl that you tried to kill.
Look into me. It was a mistake.
Oh, yeah. Mistake. Wow, that's nice. So mistake, you tried once, twice. The third time was still a mistake? With all due respect, you disgust me.
Ethan, I did it for him.
You still have the temerity to blackmail Daniel. No, you did it for your ego, for your pride, for your disgust for poor people.
No.
The very poor where you're coming from. Mama, because of how much you suffered in life, because of the poverty you tested, you hate these people. I thought it was a passing statement of, I don't like poor people. But because you hate who you were that much, you wanted to kill somebody, another person's daughter.
I didn't know it was going to turn out this way. I didn't know.
Okay. Now I did. If not that you're my mother, and I cannot undo that, I would have called the police to pick you up. But you know what? I'll save you that. Because in your lowest, I still don't want you in prison. But you've lost 2 sons.
No, Ethan, no.
Don't.
No, I can't.
Don't try your luck. Don't, please. Don't. Say, let's be mature about this. Let's be very mature about it.
I'm still your mother.
Don't push. Don't play that card on me. In the morning, I'll leave this house.
Ethan, no. Don't.
Have it all to yourself.
No, don't do this. Ethan, no, please. Don't do this to me. No. Ethan, I'm your mother. Please. No.
Don't try it. You just made a very big mistake.
Oh, come and do your worst. You're too slow.
Oh, really? I'm too
Yes.
slow.
Stop. I surrender.
Say it again.
I surrender. You win.
Nonsense.
So, when are you going back to Abuja?
When you're ready to come with me. I miss this.
Me too. But don't get so used to winning though.
Hey.